How to fix this sound isn't licensed for commercial use TikTok. So recently TikTok has brought up a new policy where you cannot use unlicensed songs. So there are basically two ways that you can fix this problem. So you won't be able to use any unlicensed song if you are a business account or a creator account on TikTok. And the thing that you can do is switch your creator account or a business account to a personal account. So that way you would be able to use an unlicensed song. So now the second thing that you can try out is, firstly let's tap on this plus icon in order to post that video. Tap on upload and select the video. Now you can see I've just added a video right here. Now if I tap on this add sound on top, you can see it says pre-cleared commercial sounds. So that means these are sounds that can be freely used even if you're a commercial account or a business account. You can tap on any song and add it right here. And now after you do that, you can tap on this volume and you can turn off this added sound right here and only keep the original sound of your video. Now after you do that, the song would be heard on the TikTok and only your original song would be heard. So this way you can use the unlicensed songs for your business account also. So those are the two ways that you can fix this sound isn't licensed for commercial use on TikTok.